Hey folks, how y'all doing? And welcome back, Old Man, in the land of grills. We're gonna cook on a pellet grill tonight, and we're gonna do something really different. We're gonna do some onion burgers, but we're gonna use dehydrated onion in the meat to see if that'll work. I've never tried that before, but I've had a couple others tell me that it works. And I'm showing you Z grills because Z grills is what we're gonna use. But also, folks, the Z grills people have asked me if I wouldn't share with you that they've got a special coming up the weekend of August 21st. Well, that they're going to have some of their grills on sale. I'll leave the link down below, the Z grills. You can take a look at Z grills. Some of these deals are very good if you're in the market for a pellet grill. Folks, I've always told you that I really like the quality of the Z grills. If you're looking for a top-notch, one of the best PIDs on the market, in my opinion. That PID works very nice. And this smaller entry-level pellet grill, even that dial type that you would think would not be PID is PID. It does a great job. In fact, you know what? That's what I'm going to fire up again tonight. I'm going to put grill grates on it and see if I can get some nice sear lines on the pellet grill. Let's take a look at those. Let's get this fired up. We'll take a look how I'm going to make onion burgers using dehydrated. That just doesn't sound right, does it? So I'll tell you what, go take a look at that. Get this fired up. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, we got fire. So the daisy wheel on there that lets the fire out. I got that just opened a little bit. Grill grates, I've had these grill grates for a long time, was for another pellet grill. And if they don't fit, all you do is you just leave your regular grates on and put them on top of it. And I'm gonna slide these over, because it's not gonna really get direct flame, but I wanna get it some heat. I'm gonna turn this thing on high and get everything nice and preheated. We'll take a look at the temps. Maybe give it about 10-15 minutes, let it preheat, close the lid down, and then we'll get a searing here. All right, so there's the chopped onion, the dehydrated onion. You can see this is from Kirkland, which means it's Costco. 2 tablespoons of chopped dried onion is equal to about a half cup of chopped fresh onion. If that's the case, I'm thinking I used about a cup in this 1 pound and made them into third pound burgers here. If you've ever watched before, folks, you know I love this My Ploy sweet chili sauce. I got some of that in there too. Then I season my burgers on the inside. So Farm 407, simply Texas rub. This stuff is awesome. Got a lot of pepper in it. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. It's gonna sit. I want to go for a walk actually. So it's gonna sit there a good hour and a half to 2 hours before I get it on the grill. All right. So high heat on this pellet grill and the Z grill 600 series is 450. You can see we're reading 452 right now. It doesn't get it there, like in 2 minutes. It takes about 10 minutes. And we're gonna just take a look at our. I've got my thermal here, and let's just see where we stand on our grill grates. See, our grill grates are over 500. That's nice. So we're gonna give these maybe just a minute more. Put our burgers in. Give you a look. All right, folks. We did a minute and a half, and then we gave them a quarter turn, and did 2.5 minutes then, extra minute, and we'll see what they're looking like now. Give them a flip. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Grill grates, folks. Tell you what, you got a pellet grill? Get yourself some grill grates, because they'll do that. That's awesome. Keep on going here. Give you a look. Right, let's take a look. We did 2 and 2 on the other side. It's when it comes down to it, if you're asking how long we did, it's almost like 8 minutes. So take a look, see. Yeah. I'll tell you what. It's an affordable pellet grill, folks, and look at what it's doing there. And all I did was add grill grates to it. So these are going to come off. Give you a look, see once they're plated up. Oh man, there it is. Look at that right there. And the whole thing was, doing onion burgers using dehydrated onions that from Costco. Got a lot of nice juice there. Oh yeah. Onion there. Did that work? Yeah. My opinion, that worked. Onion burgers. Using dehydrated onions. Perfect. Folks, don't forget about the sale. Z Grills. Looking for a pellet grill that's going to just do the job. Have a lot of cool features. And I tell you what, they have some very affordable ones. If you're a first-time pellet grill owner, don't know if you're going to like it or not, Z Grills, check them out. I'll leave the link down below. As always, folks, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, Thank you.